Okay, so I'm Mariam, and right now I'm 21 years old. And when I started Wonderstruck, I was 12. So, like back in sixth grade. So, like, I have always been into crafts, etc. So, this is where it came from. And yeah, so basically, when I started my business, I hadn't put much thought into it. It was just a random night in my summer vacations. I was making cards, and I was like, "Chalo, ab isko, let's start selling them." So that is how Wonderstruck came into being. Okay. So basically, when I started Wonderstruck, I started selling friendship bracelets and cards, and then gradually I moved on to resin art, and then now I have shifted to 3D live casting. So basically, that is one thing that I'm offering that no one else is in the whole of Pakistan. So that is what I believe that makes Wonderstruck stand out at this point. Basically, the thing is that every person in my family is an entrepreneur. So like the concept of selling अच्छा इसको business बना सकते हैं इसका ये कर सकते हैं has always been instilled in me since a very young age. And even like हमारी like society में भी मेलास carnivals होते थे. So like I used to make stuff and I used to sell them over there as well. So like ये वाला जो concept है of selling stuff, of making money out of your passions, it has always been instilled in me. So yeah, I think it came naturally to me कि अच्छा हम लोग ये भी कर सकते हैं और इससे भी पैसे बन सकते हैं वगैरह वो वाला. Okay, so I in my family, my dad is he was an engineer. And now he has his own business. He also has his own startup now. My brothers as well, and we have expanded into the food industry, into the clothing industry, into the furniture industry. So like her industry के insights घर में आ जाती हैं. So like from that I know कि अच्छा इसमें इस तरह से काम चल रहा है यहाँ पे you have to strategize this way. Even though I haven't studied any of it, since obviously I started at a very young age and I'm still doing communication design as my major in university. So like none of the business stuff really comes into play. But yeah, I learn all of that from the people in my family. Okay, so I really don't believe that my education background had an impact on my business and has an impact on my business. But I believe that if I had the bookish and entrepreneurship knowledge, it might have, impacted it in a better way. सही है लेकिन अब मुझे नहीं पता कि since मेरे पास वो knowledge नहीं थी तो like I don't think adversely affect हुआ है, but it could have been better maybe अगर मेरे पास वो knowledge होती, but I have no clue about that because I have always been an art student. So when it comes to like managing and running a business, that I have always learned from the people around me. And agar mere paas bookish knowledge hoti, so it might have made my business stand out more. Like I would have been able to strategize better by practicing it myself. Like मुझे याद है जब पहले जब when I started raising art, I used to like उस time पे Justin Bieber और One Direction की बहुत hype थी तो like मैं उनके बनाती थी. So then I would reach out to their fan pages. So like मैं उनको खुद जाके messages करती थी कि oh I'm selling all of this, can you like please put up on your page so that your fans, the people who follow you, can then visit my page and buy my One Direction and Justin Bieber stuff. So like I think कि मैं खुद ही देखती थी कि कहाँ कौन सी audience को target करना चाहिए उस time पे, and उस time पे I would usually go to the fan pages and ask them to market my stuff for me. I would actually I do not really have an answer for that because I would still want to experience the job sector of the market. Like this is obviously I am expanding Wonderstruck simultaneously, but I would also want to explore the job industry. So like I would want to experience like abhi to entrepreneurship mein experience kar hi rahi hu, but I would want different, like I have currently also applied for internships in different places which apply to my work as well, like which is related to design research. So yeah, abhi tak, obviously Wonderstruck is a forever thing, but I would also like to explore other options, side for a side thing, if I can say that. So for the beginning of Wonderstruck, I don't think कि कोई इतनी strategy या process या कुछ भी था. It was just कि मेरे पास Facebook था सामने और मेरे पास हाथ में cards थे, and I was like कि बस ये लिटरली मैंने आधी रात में बनाया था. लेकिन उसके बाद when it came to 3D live casting, when I posted about 3D, like I didn't just introduce it. पहले I was मैंने like research की थी अपने page पे कि if I introduce this, will you guys be interested? Because obviously the material is costly and I just didn't want to jump into it. So like the responses that I received were कि oh ये तो हमने कभी कराची में नहीं देखा है, oh ये तो हम लोग हमेशा यूरोप या यूएसए में करते हैं, and वहाँ पे यूरोप एंड यूएसए में वैक्स के मोल्ड्स बनते हैं, right? So like when they travel back to Pakistan, they tend to break. So like फिर मैंने इसमें भी research किया, and then I decided that I would make resin के hand molds which would last forever. So like before launching the handcast, मैंने ये research की थी beforehand, and then I was like, oh, I can really turn this into an opportunity, and I can charge whatever I want to for this because no one else is offering it, right? So that is how I strategized for the hand motor. I think या तो जब मैं बता रही थी कि जब मैं हैंडकास्ट का जब शुरू में इनिशियली देख रही थी, तो जब मैंने है ना इतनी निटिग्रिटीज में नहीं गई थी, बिकॉज आई न्यू कि आई वुड इजीली मीट द ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट बिकॉज आई हैव द एडवांटेज इन द मार्केट सिंस नो वन एल्स वाज डूइंग इट, बट आई ट्रैवल टू लाहौर एंड इस्लामाबाद टू प्रोवाइड माई सर्विसेज ओवर देयर. तो उसके लिए आई डिड दैट the term that you mentioned that I have forgotten.
Feasibility analysis.
The financial.
Yeah.
That. Because वहाँ पे फिर टिकट की भी कॉस्ट आ रही थी, रहने की भी कॉस्ट आ रही थी, ऑब्वियसली खाने की भी कॉस्ट आ रही थी. तो तब I did that if I would be able to reach the break-even point if I travel. The industry didn't really exist in Pakistan, as I mentioned, right? The 3D, the mold thing. So like,
yes.
I wouldn't know कि उसमें उस time पे कितना like कोई competition नहीं था, कुछ था नहीं. So like, I cannot really analyze the situation. It was a lot because a lot of people, especially when I got into resin art, almost every other person was doing it. Almost every other crafter was doing it. So the competition was a lot, and yeah, so like फिर पूरी luck की game थी because हर किसी के पास उस time पे obviously इतनी ज़्यादा like अब जाके सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग मैनेजिंग ज्यादा एक्सपेंड भी है, लेकिन उस टाइम पे लाइक आई एम लिटरली टॉकिंग 10 years ago, तो उस टाइम पे इतना नहीं था. सही, जिसके हाथ जो था वाला सीन था. So like it was just your luck, and you would उस टाइम पे इतने फेसबुक ग्रुप्स भी नहीं थे जहाँ पे you could market yourself. So like everyone would like just come up with different ways ताकि उनका ये आर्ट सेल हो. My dad, and he still helps me with my finances, and he has he has been the backbone of Wonderstruck basically, and he still supports me in every financially and also motivationally as well today. So that is why Wonderstruck is still standing.
Okay.
I think Wonderstruck सिर्फ मेरा नहीं है, मेरे पूरे खानदान का है because everyone helps me out in some way or the other. Everyone helps me out. So like especially when I'm busy with my studies. So they're like, oh, रहने दो ये काम है, हम कर लेते हैं. We can help you out. You go and you study and do that. So that is me on my own.
Okay.
They help me with the packing and the booking the riders and all of that. Not at all. So I would also like to mention that us time pe, obviously I started in my vacations, right? So like when my school also started, I would start taking breaks. So like, I would just pick back on Wonderstruck जब भी मेरे पास time था उस time पे भी. So like it wasn't like something consistent कि I would like give all of my time to it and be extremely attached to it कि नहीं, इसको मुझे बहुत आगे लेकर जाना है. उस time पे मेरा ये mindset नहीं था. But now yes. I don't know how to properly answer this, but I think from the beginning only. Yeah. Okay. So like sometimes बीच में when I'm unable to meet customer की deadlines because अचानक से जब ये load बहुत बढ़ जाता है, and like one thing that I've learned is that even if you are able to complete customer का काम in 2 weeks, you should tell them कि 4 weeks में complete होएगा, because you don't know कि what life can throw at you बीच में, and especially when the customer at the other end is not very cooperative and then they just lash out on you. तब मुझे होता है कि बस I don't think I can do this. And I took part in Crafters Guild in 2014 and 2017, and I was labeled as the youngest entrepreneur in Karachi. And then when Al Karam approached me to design and produce their PR packages for their winter campaign in 2019, and then when I traveled to Lahore and Islamabad for my services in 2020. Yeah, so like it's basically always the clients. So in the deadlines because I'll be really honest with you, because I'm not only doing Wonderstruck in my studies, I'm also doing a couple of other things, and I know that I shouldn't take a lot of things at once because then I'm not able to manage my time wisely. So when I'm unable to meet the deadlines of my clients, some of them do understand, like, some of them really do not cooperate. So like that is those, like it hasn't only happened once, it has happened multiple times over the years. So like all of those uncooperative customers, they always get to me. No, not really, because like हर information घर से ही मिल जाती थी, तो फिर अभी तक I haven't felt the need of outsourcing my outsourcing knowledge right now, but maybe in the future when I really am out of like पढ़ाई करके बाहर निकल के, maybe when I really need to build a proper team and everything.
Okay.
So my target market basically now is families, and families may be mostly newlyweds because they are really interested in getting their hands casted together, and also newborn babies because families with newborns also really want the impression of their kids to last with them forever. So like I usually tend to market newlyweds or people who have recently had the babies. वरना तो हर कोई attract होता है, but these two people are really my main focus at. Okay, so I through my Instagram, I also sponsor ads. Like I also use the Facebook का sponsor ads का option, and then वहाँ पे like I do put up like categories like weddings and gifts वगैरह, जिसकी वजह से या तो newborn or babies, जिसकी वजह से such sort of people are attracted to my page. No, I've been doing this myself, but recently only I have been talking to this person who I am possibly going to hire to do this because like yeah.
Okay, perfect.
To run my ads for me, because I still think that I can do much better with the money that I'm using for these ads. So when I run my ads, I run them both on Facebook and Instagram. लेकिन ads के through Facebook से ज़्यादा customers आते हैं, and Instagram पे without ads I get better customers. So basically जब शुरू में तो initially जब when I started making cards वगैरह, तो I would only ask my father to get me stuff जब मुझे orders मिलते थे. For example, जो मेरे पास पहले से friendship bracelets पर रीविंग थी, that I put up and the cards, and then whenever someone used to order के मुझे ये चाहिए और इस तरह का चाहिए, तो फिर उस हिसाब के तो उस हिसाब से my dad used to get me material. And then अभी for 3D live casting, the resin and the LGNet that we use, we obviously stock up way before time. And then uske alawa, what else do I need? I need a working laptop and an internet. Okay, so basically my dad has a writer of his own, so like unke business ke liye, so like he used to do my deliveries for me, but then when alhamdulillah when things started to expand, obviously he had workload of his own. Then I put up a post on Facebook, and then I got this person's number, और फिर मैं उसके through deliveries कराती थी, and till date I use him only. And sometimes when the orders are very urgent, तो या तो मैं अब Kareem now use कर लेती हूँ या Byte. Yeah, for that for the LGNet and the reason, I do have people, and उन्हीं से मैं जाकर सामान लेती हूँ अब. So like yeah, so even if I call them beforehand कि अच्छा ये ready रखें, तो वो निकाल के रखते हैं, and then I just go and pick those things up. Time management. Like I wouldn't I'm sorry, I wouldn't be able to give my time to it, and like जैसे कि against my father's and my brother's advice, I wouldn't be consistent with it. So yeah, and when we're like मैं बीच में breaks, especially when जब मेरे exams आ जाते हैं, या तो when I have a lot of deadlines वगैरह, I obviously am not even able to respond to customers. So yeah, even though responding to customers, it takes like 5 minutes per message, like in that mental energy is also required, right? And that I lack at times. So consistency is the key, but I'm not really consistent. Has it has reduced over time for me because I think because I'm glad with where Wonderstruck is right now, because I don't really actively am trying to like I'm not trying to be overwhelmed with like increasing like expanding it right now, that because I know that I have other things to look at as well. So yes, like the uncertainty, like मुझे पहले especially when जब school में थी तब मुझे होता था कि हो जाए, सब मिल जाए वगैरह, लेकिन अब I think I'm very much satisfied with where it is right now. So like even जब कभी कभार like some months I am completely booked with like for 3D live casting, like people have to come to my place to get it done, right? So like उसमें like the appointments and the booking and my availability is very important, right? और फिर है ना क्या कहते हैं, तो 20 some days are like some months are fully booked, लेकिन जिस month में इतनी bookings नहीं होती, तो like I'm completely cool with it कि जैसा चल रहा है ठीक है.